Oh my goodness sakes. What's up guys? Man, it is a dreary day in Houston, Texas. I'm outside the Family Thrift Center on Durham Drive. And today I think I'm gonna do a trip to the thrift slash maybe like a giant unboxing from you guys. I'm about to get ran over by a BMW. Hello lady with the beret on. Anyways, what up? Let's hop in the store. Also, shout out all you guys for dropping these comments. Y'all know I love reading them and see what they got. All right, luckily I made it into the store out of the parking lot in one piece. Shout out that old lady though, coming from my dome. But look at this, man. First and foremost, you got a Marlboro Adventure Team fleece. I swear, dude, I just walk in here and I look for patterns that just stick out. And that's pretty much like if I'm doing a quick scan of what I want to do before I start going in, trying to find individual pieces. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot to behold it in this store, so let's get it real quick because I definitely do want to get to an unboxing where you guys sent me a bunch of really sick gear. Wow, look how buttery this polo piece is. The exterior is kind of like a potato color scheme with the plaid on the inside. Hell yes. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Hey guys, literally look at this streetwear banger. Dude, I could clickbait this video so bad, like supreme in the thrift. Dude, it is on the most high quality of hoodies. On that Gildan? Wait, but not just any Gildan, heavy blend, baby. I like my blends to have a little bit of weight to them. Oh my God, tripping. Yo, what's up with all these like sand slash Kanye's closet color schemes on these clothes? You have this no boundaries all over print. It's on some Illuminati shit, as y'all can see, covered in Benjis, double-sided, somewhat excited. It's noteworthy, we'll see though. Hey, look at this, guys. I'll tell y'all once, I'll tell y'all thrice. That's like in between 2 and 3 times. Bro, the sleeve never deceives. Let's reveal. Oh, look at that little grip, bro. You got Joker and you got Batman. Just fisting. Looks like he's throwing a straight right. Wait, hold up. Oh no, that's the left, bro. This fool like Conor McGregor, bro. Yo, guys, this is a banger TNT, literally dynamite. You got the World Wrestling Federation tee. This is from the year 2000. You have The Rock with that bull logo. You got Stone Cold Skull on the back and Y2J. Oh, okay, guys, this goes off. They got the I Survived Jurassic Park ride crew neck on deck. Beautiful. Universal Studios. It is vintage, made in the good old US of A. God damn it. Muscat. They have another one, Jurassic Park. This one is not the ride, but it's in the black color scheme. Oh my God, did y'all know Tyrannosaurus Rexes ran around looking pregnant? Like evidently they were just like fat as fuck. Hey man, shout out all the thick women with the child in them. You're not thick. Tripping. Ooh, this ain't the color scheme of a koala armpit. Yo guys, this shirt is what I thought was a Grail, but in fact might just be sus. It is the Polo Ralph Lauren Polo Bear shirt, but it looks like someone literally just took this out of a printer and then ironed it onto the garment. Tripping. But look at our little friend here, dude. Oh my God.
Oh my God!
You just have this beetle carcass big chillin' on the fabric.
Yeah.
I might have to nab it just for the wildlife aspect. Oh, mount up, boys. Also got that Harley crew neck. God damn. Oh, 6'6". Oh, luckily it was one too many / one too less, or else that'd be some devil worship on this little piece. Guys, look at this fool. Bruh, man's hair looks like it's made of flesh, but this is a sick Auburn t-shirt. Obviously dude is definitely juicing based off that vascularity. There's nothing on the back except the little tiger logo. That's not even a tiger, it's letters, but hey. This is a cool little piece, man. God, that fool's head's creepy as fuck. Bro, really? I thought we just had one flesh hair motherfucker, but no, we got 2. You ain't winning if you ain't twinning, baby. This one is actually in better condition. Let's go. Wow. Coming in live in the human fecal matter color scheme. Look at this. shit brown Carhartt jacket. That's a terrible way to try and sell a piece as being cool, but this actually is cool, dude. You got a pocket for your tools, other things on the job site. It has that pinstriped kind of wool heavy interior, Carhartt baby, size large. This is nice, man, with that corduroy bear collar. Man, what a gem. Oh God, guys, look at this. This is a problem, but it's an amazing problem to have. Check out this jacket. Bread, vintage, Nike, windbreaker. Oh yes, break wind like a boss. Great tag. Oh my sick bitch Willie. I don't know what that is, but bro, man. Ooh, what do we got here? Got a little twofer. Got that 2-for-1 reversible Adidas chaqueta. Let's go. Oh my God, guys, look at this bat wielding bird. Boy is a straight athlete, got no head protection on. Why? Don't need it. Does not need it. Vintage starter. Wait, hold up. I gotta hit it one time for the one time. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Yes, sir. All right, guys. So shout out Family Thrift. They always came through. I actually did not want to go to another store, but I'm outside of Salvation Army, and when I'm in the area, I have to check, especially because I love furniture stores, and some of y'all have been requesting that I find more furniture related stuff and home decor, so fingers crossed they'll have that sauce, and I'm gonna dive in. Look at this. 1,000,001 pieces of furniture, none of which I think will work at all for the vibe I'm trying to create, but I mean, that's wise. Hey, couch. Fool just tried to trip me via the ass. But that's why I come in here, man, to see if they have a little bit of something. It's just you gotta check repeatedly in order to find mirrors that sit right in front of big old vomit green chairs. I mean, that's life. Yo, we got a couple pieces that are definitely noteworthy. First of all, we got a straight killer of life. You got that boy Tree Pain over here just murking the evergreens. This holiday season, you know, Tree Pain, he don't play no games with a chainsaw. Hey, also, I own this shirt in like a mustard color scheme, and it's too big for me, but it's crazy. They have this like vintage essential tee, but the cufflets are amazing on it, like that neck embroidery. Oh man, and the way these will grip the biceps. Oh, come on, man. Had these ladies dripping. $2. Psh, right in my price range. Oh, good God. Somebody opened the barn door, baby. Homie just busted out the stable. Oh, Lord. This guy got hit by some freaking nuclear radiation. Boy, straight green, man. What the hell? You got the polo trunks, though. These are only $6? Holla at me. Hey, come back here. Guys, tell me, could we get a more obscene example of how the sleeve never deceives than this? Like, I just saw that touch of embroidery. You have the Marlboro Unlimited Adventure Team-esque looking gecko encrusted crew neck. Now, do they want $9 for this? Yes. Are they tripping? Absolutely.
Personal foul, tripping by the offense number 15.
What are those? Why is the sneaker section this lit, dude? They got British Knights in the motherfucking building, dude. What are those? Holy hell. Nice. They also got that Frat Boy Steez as well. Oh yeah, let's butt chuck. Yes, all right guys, and we're out of there. Whoa. I found a couple noteworthy things. I did not get Tree Pain. He'd probably murk this tree if he had the opportunity, but I just got this striped shirt. The Marlboro was like kind of taxed, and then it also had a big yellow stain, and then the polo shorts, they were U size. So, I mean, sometimes you gotta go in there and just see what they got. And that's what I did. Very happy about this goal. All right, I'm thinking I should unbox stuff, but I actually might just pick this thrift video up at another spot. We'll see. Ooh, paper thin. Look at this adolescent Mickey rodent. Boy, just giving you that finger. Oh no, no, no. There's a hole right there. Oh my God, this thing is dry ratted. Wow, dry ratted. I guess Mickey's a rat now. Dry rotted like a motherfucker.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.